Welcome to Talk in English. Hi, I'm Ria, and I'm so excited to have you here. Today, I'm going to talk about the most special person in my life, my mother. Let's start. My mother is the most important person in my life. She is not only my mom, but also my best friend, my biggest supporter, and my quiet hero. She was the first face I saw when I entered this world. Her love is unconditional, pure, and infinite. My mother is strong, stronger than she ever admits. She has faced many struggles in life, but she never let them break her. Instead, she taught me how to rise after falling. When she's tired, she smiles just to make others feel better. She has sacrificed so much for our family without ever expecting anything in return. She never complains about her own pain or problems. That's what makes her truly selfless. She is the heart of our home. Her presence brings peace and warmth into every corner. The way she cooks, cares, and creates joy around her is magical. Even simple things feel special when my mother is involved. Her food, her laughter, and her voice carry so many memories. My mother taught me important values like honesty, kindness, and gratitude. She taught me how to treat others with respect and how to never give up. She has always reminded me that it's okay to fail, as long as I keep trying. She believes in me, even when I struggle to believe in myself. Her encouragement gives me the courage to chase my dreams. Whenever I feel lost or confused, she gives the best advice. Sometimes her silence says more than 1,000 words. That's the beauty of a mother's love. It needs no explanation. My mother is not just a woman. She is my world. She has built me, held me, and helped me grow. I am forever grateful to call her my mother. And I will love her, respect her, and honor her always.